Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed your Thermomix TM31 blades making a horrible grinding noise, you are not alone. This issue often arises due to worn or damaged components within the blade assembly. If left unchecked, it can lead to further damage, making your device unusable and potentially costly to fix. Let's address this issue together. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a replacement blade assembly. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the lid, taking care not to damage any clips. Once you've done this, you will find the blade assembly secured in place. The grinding noise typically originates from a worn-out bearing within the assembly. To locate it, gently twist the blades while observing for any unusual movement or resistance. If it feels loose, it's time for a replacement. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the blade assembly to the base. Apply a moderate force to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the assembly out of the bowl. Take your pliers to disconnect any wires attached to the assembly, being cautious not to tug on nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old assembly removed, take your new replacement blade assembly and reconnect the wires securely. Once everything is in place, carefully lower the assembly back into the bowl, ensuring it sits snugly. Reinsert the screws and tighten them firmly, but again, be cautious not to over-tighten. Now, it's time to replace the lid. Snap it back into place, ensuring all clips are secured. Plug your Thermomix back in and run a quick test to check that the blades move smoothly without any grinding. If all sounds good, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the condition of your blades and avoid overloading your Thermomix beyond its capacity. Clean the blade assembly after each use to ensure longevity and optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.